Jeff, you got something for us?
Yeah,
about
I do. I
auto
just need a little
junkyards?
extra time, so I was kind of rushing you along. But here we go with this. How about that? Junkyards, largest in America. The U.S. is home to some of the largest junkyards in the world. Whether you are into cars, trucks, motorcycles, or planes, there's something on this list for you. While many folks gravitate to the yards for their restoration project and old parts, these junkyards are amazing sites. They actually have been called tourist destinations. Many of these places do give tours. These are the largest auto junkyards in the U.S., which are most exciting. Check it out. You pick your favorite. Here's 10 of them. We're going to run through these kind of quickly. There you go. Look at that. This is French Lake Auto Parts in Minnesota. Are you looking for a great junkyard near Minneapolis? Then French Lake Auto Parts is it. It is situated 60 miles west of Minneapolis and has been open for more than 50 years.
That's a good sound check.
In terms of size, the junkyard has over 100 acres and over 10,000 vehicles. And there's one of them right there. This one is Wildcat Auto Wrecking in Oregon. Wildcat Auto Wreckers has a heavy focus on Chrysler parts and vehicles and is located in Sandy, Oregon. Wildcat Auto Wrecking is the only Mopar-specific junkyard in the Pacific Northwest. So if you're a Mopar fan, head on up there. They got something for you. This next one is CTC Auto Ranch in Texas. Just an hour north of Dallas in Denton, Texas, you will find CTC Auto Ranch. CTC Auto Ranch is one of the most popular junkyards in the world of America.
I've been there.
Yep. With good reason. CTC Auto Ranch ships parts nationwide, and you should check out the drone footage on their website. I looked at it a little bit. You're going to like it. It's pretty cool. Check it out.
Breathtaking to see how many vehicles they have on the ground there.
Yep. And look at that. There's all kinds of stuff for you. The next one is Turner's Auto Wrecking in California. Turner's Auto Wrecking has a vast 100 acres of vintage car parts. This junkyard dates back to 1928 and has been featured in Hot Rod Magazine. They ship anywhere in the U.S., and you should pay a visit to this in person to get the full experience. There you go. There's a lot of stuff to look at there. Next one is All Bike Salvage Yard in Arizona. In June of 2013, Mike, All Bike Salvage Yard suffered a massive fire, and it destroyed almost 9,000 bikes that they had in stock. And while it is challenging to build that amount of stock back up, All Bike Salvage is back on the map today, still doing business. That's pretty amazing. This next one, you see that there's a lot of airplanes and stuff going on. I got to turn my page.
Tucson, Arizona.
Yep.
I've been there.
It's Pinal Air Park, Arizona. If bikes and cars aren't your thing, then you're going to find this place incredible. Pinal Air Park is where many airplanes go to die. Most have never flown either, sadly. Due to financing, there are many brand new planes just sitting in that yard.
And they strip them down for parts to keep
do.
the current fleet flying.
Yep, they do in most cases. Absolutely right. You've got the Corvair Ranch in Pennsylvania.
Done.
Most often, if you hear the word Gettysburg, you're more likely to think of the Civil War and Abraham Lincoln. However, you should also consider this as a Corvair enthusiast heaven. Although the junkyard does host multiple different car bodies, there are more than 600 Corvairs on the lot.
Lucky guy.
And I'm going to skip to the last one here, which is the Old Car City, USA. Oh, we got it. We're just going to go on. Old Car City, USA. If you're looking for the number one most famous junkyard in the world, then Old Car City, USA is it. It is situated in White, Georgia, and it has numerous things going on. They actually have senior pictures taken in that junkyard. Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay, I've got to get out of it, so give me like another 30 seconds.
Yeah, we talked a little bit earlier about the salvage yards there on 249, just west of 45, and those are all insurance salvage yards. But there's a couple of 100 acres of vehicles there as well.
All right, thank you, Jeff. The In Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for the In Wheel Time Car Talk. We're also video stream on Facebook, YouTube, InWheelTime.com, and Twitch.